Namaskar friends, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn first, second and third person pronouns in Hindi. The Hindi word or Hindi equivalent of pronoun is Sarvnaam. So pronoun is known as Sarvnaam. And what are pronouns or Sarvnaams? Pronouns are words which are used in place of noun. Now, why do we need these pronouns? The reason is that pronouns help prevent repetition of nouns, thereby making it easier for us to refer to people, things, and objects. For example, he, she, they, etc. Let's understand with the help of an example. Let's take this sentence. Now, friends, in this passage, the word Rani has come 7 times. Now, if we pick all these places where we have written Rani and replace it with she, you will find that the sentence looks simple, elegant, and a little less intimidating as we don't see names all the time. So basically, pronouns prevent repetition of names, which makes writing fluid, and pronouns also help in identifying a person's gender, which is very, very important and useful in framing the word accordingly. Now, pronouns can be divided into two parts, singular and plural. Let's understand the singular and plural pronouns for first person. First person is the person who is talking. So, first person singular pronoun is मैं, which is the equivalent of I. And first person plural pronoun is we. And we is known as hum in Hindi. Ha, ma, hum. Then comes second person. Second person singular is you, that is tum. And a respectful you is aap. Similarly, second person plural is you all, and the Hindi equivalent of you all is tum sab. And if we are referring to someone who is respectful and there are a lot of them, then it will become aap sab instead of tum sab, because aap shows respect. Then comes third person pronouns. Now, third person singular is he, she, it, etc. And all three of them are referred to as vah or wo. And third person plural is they, and they is always referred to as wo sab or ve. Therefore, friends, in Hindi, conjugation always happens in respect to the pronoun or the gender of the person about whom we are talking. So, I masculine is मैं, I feminine is also मैं, we is hum, you is tum, and you respectful, that is when you're talking to somebody who's elder to you, becomes aap. Then comes he, it is wo. The personal pronoun for she is also wo. For they is wo, and for they all is ve or ve sab or wo sab. All three are correct. So friends, once you know these pronouns, it will be easier for you to conjugate the verb accordingly. In most of the cases, a feminine word or a plural word can be formed by adding an e to it. I will place a link of the video in which I have dealt with gender in significant detail. So friends, I hope this video made the concept of pronouns clear to you. If you found this video useful, please do share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.